Alrighty too, so as I told you in the previous video that in the next video I'm gonna mount this Yamaha 3 speakers on the wall for the cinema setup, and as you can see I removed those old speakers from there and mounted this new Yamaha speakers, and these are connected to Pioneer receiver, and now I'm gonna test the sound. And surrounds are off, only these front 3 channels are gonna work now, and then I'm gonna test it on stereo mode too. Now let's see how it works with Pioneer AV receiver. And first of all, let me turn on the light. Okay, so I started this one. Well, as after mounted all the speakers on the wall and connected to Pioneer, I am feeling the sound is better than before, just maybe because of the speaker placement, and of course for the Pioneer AV receiver, because it has Dolby True HD, so the sound is more crispy, clear, whatever you can say, and I'm liking it more than before.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Alright, till now you're listening all to all the 3 speakers, and now I'm gonna put it on a stereo mode. Okay, now the 2 left and right channels will be working only, the center will be silent. So now let's check the sound again.
and to create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat.
Hopefully you can hear the difference that in the stereo mode the bass is a bit increased, and the rest of the sound is quite the same, just the bass is a bit of increased. Let's hear it again.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
change to Dolby mode again, and I'm gonna play some Dolby trailers, and let's check the sound. Okay, now let me tell you that with this Yamaha speakers, now movie experience is gonna be really awesome. Like the sound is really great. So that's it, guys. That was the final sound test of this Yamaha speakers after mounted them on the wall and connected to the Pioneer. So hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.